We are here today in the Royal Institution, partly to announce the winners of our last funding round, but also to bring the supply chain together to discuss the issues that we face in trying to give plastic packaging a more sustainable future. So when we're looking at the challenges faced by the industry, we should remember that over the last 50 or 60 years, the whole supply chain has optimised itself to take the advantage that plastic packaging offers to deliver consumers convenience, value, safety. And then suddenly we've said, yes, we want all of that, we now also want you to deliver sustainability and circularity. And this is a very, very finely optimised system. So it's a bit like taking an F1 car and then saying, right, but I want you now to be amphibious, but I still want you to win races. So it's very difficult to redesign these systems. And then throw in all the other challenges we've faced recently in terms of the pandemic, cost of living squeeze, and also the supply chain disruption. And you could be forgiven for not being very optimistic, but it is in exactly these moments of disruption and change when we have the opportunities for innovation. And it's our job to make sure we seize those opportunities to drive the innovation to bring around those sustainable changes that we all need. We've seen a tremendous amount of progress. So we're just about to open the UK's first chemical recycling plant for plastics. We're about to open a world-leading facility for recycling polypropylene that can actually take it back to being suitable for being in contact with food. And we're also about to launch large-scale trials of reuse and refill. And those are just the projects that we have within SSPP. More generally, we are seeing recycled content being normalised. We have been seeing the retailers really trying to grapple with how we're going to do reuse and refill at scale. And we've seen really definitive action on problematic and unnecessary and difficult to recycle plastics being essentially removed from our shelves. The heart of what SSPP does is to de-risk innovation. And we can do that in a number of ways. So, for example, we bring people together to collaborate on specific problems. And by doing that, we can accelerate both the innovation itself, but then its implementation. We also bring guidance, advice, and also sometimes a different perspective to a problem to help work through those challenges and get us to a solution. And finally, and probably what we're best known for, is de-risking innovation through making grants. And what we do with our grants is we invest alongside the private sector. So our 60 million is on track to deliver over £200 million worth of private sector investment to really drive the change towards plastic sustainable packaging.